is green, theta is pink. Now they give me a theta that's in degrees, which means I need to convert it to radians. So I need to take this and I need to convert to radians. Okay, so I take 30 and I multiply by pi over 180. This is using the orange formula from the very top. I got my purple highlighter. Okay, and let's see, 30 divided by 180, it should be pi over 6, I believe. Yeah, okay. And so now I can fill in, so I don't have my r. It wants me to find that length of the radius, which is indeed the green piece of the formula. My theta should be pi over 6. Okay. And so now I have to solve this equation for my green piece. Oh, so sorry. Getting all my colors mixed up. Okay. So I need to divide both sides by pi, or I can do it this way. This will probably be the way that you guys like it better. So first I'm going to multiply both sides by 6 to get this 6 away from the r. 6 times 5 is 30, so I should get 30 pi equals pi times my radius. Now there's a pi on each side, so I can just cancel those out. So I get that my radius should be 30. Does it give me a measurement? Units. Okay. Now, and that was the piece that we were missing the whole time. Okay, and let me go ahead and fill in my arc length was this purple. And my theta was this guy right here. Okay. All right. This time it asks us to find the length of arc YZX. So this is important that we note YZX goes all the way around here. Okay, it's not the little guy, it's the big guy. Okay, it gives us our radius, and then we are also given our angle measurement, but we need to find the other angle measurement. So remember that there are 360 total degrees in a circle. So if I take 360 and I subtract off this 70 that's in the little piece, I should get 290. So I know that this piece right here is 290 degrees, but I need to convert it to radians. Okay, so we need to convert to radians using the orange formula from the front. Okay, so I'm going to take 290. I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. 290 divided by 180 is something not fun. 29 pi over 18. Okay, it's not very fun, but that is going to be the value that we use. So we have L equals R theta. That's our equation we're always using. R was given to us in the problem. We can fill that in. 10. Theta we just found using our conversion formula. So this is going to be 29 pi over 18. Ah, my pen doesn't work well over highlighter. Interesting. Okay. And then the arc length is what we're trying to find. That one is our goal. Okay. Ooh, you can't even see the L underneath. Okay. So now all I have to do is solve. So 10 times 29 divided by 18, I'm sorry. So 10 times 29, oh, you guys can't even see my calculator, so it didn't matter that I was doing it. 10 times 29, then divide that by 18, which is on the denominator of this. Math, enter, to get 145 pi over 9 radians as our, oh, I guess that's in centimeters because That's a length. Okay, so that should be our solution for our centimeters. That was the piece that we were looking for. That was the purple piece. I will box it in since the purple covers up so much. Whew. Okay. Let's see. One more thing, and then we're going to cut this video off and do area of sectors. Okay, so a circle who has an arc measure, a circle has an arc whose measure is 180 and a length is 88 pi. What is the diameter? Okay, so for this one, it says its arc. Okay, so its arc measurement, its angle measurement is 80 degrees. Okay, its length is 88 pi. So we're given the purple piece in this case. Our goal is to find the radius because we know if we find the radius, we can convert to diameter. Okay, so we have length equals r theta. Okay, and our arc length we said was 88 pi. We're looking for our r, and our theta we need to convert. Okay, so 80 times pi over 180. 80 divided by 180 is 4 pi over 9. So multiply this by 4 pi over 9. Okay, let me do some coloring. So we're given the arc length. We're given this angle measurement, which we converted to radians using our orange formula, or conversion factor, I guess. Arc length was given. That's what we have here. Oh man, it's so dark. Radius is what we're looking for, and theta was given right here. Okay, so now we have to do a little bit of algebra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to rewrite it. 88 pi equals r times 4 pi over 9. So first I would multiply by 9 on both sides. 9 times 88 is 792. Then we need to divide by 4. We should get 198 pi equals r pi. Now I have a pi on both sides that I can just cancel out. I can just get rid of it, okay? So my r, my radius, is 100. I'm just going to fix this because it was not written well. 198, 198. So it's going to be 198 units. Okay. Now the diameter of the circle is 2 times our radius, so this is going to be kind of big. Our diameter should be 396 units. Okay, and that would be our final answer. Okay, and the radius is what we were looking for the whole time in order to get our diameter. Okay, so we're going to pause, move on to area of sectors, and then we'll be done with this.